Simulan natin dito sa sa downtown Monterey. Ang Monterey is a city on California's rugged Central Coast. Dati itong cannery, yung one-time center of the sardine packing industry. Dati ito yung dito minamanufacture yung mga sardinas, kaya tinawag itong sardine packing industry. Nowadays, it's a popular strip of gift shops, seafood restaurants and bars in converted factories. Kaya naging isang tourist spot ito eh. Also, ang Monterey famous sa yun ngang Bay Aquarium with thousands of marine animals and plants on display in underwater and interactive exhibits. Tulad ng sinabi ko noon, ang Monterey Aquarium ay connected sa dagat, kaya makakita tayo ng whale, Oo. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my subscribers, local and overseas, old and new. Hope you are always in the pink of health. Palagi yan. Ngayon, ipapasyal ko kayo sa isa sa mga city sa California. Ito ang Monterey, California. Ito yung downtown, ito yung mga gift shops nila. Ang napansin ko dito, hindi lamang dito sa Monterey, kahit saang lugar dito sa US, meron silang recycle garbage can katulad nito. Kasi very particular sila sa cleanliness. Tulad din ni Yorme, gusto niya malinis ang kapaligiran. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang ilang mga larawan na ipinakita ko. Meron pang mga susunod. Thank you for watching. Ang Monterey pala ay isa sa expensive to live there. Oo. At saka ito yung famous ang Monterey is also known for being one of the finest whale watching destinations in the world. Kasi nga, malapit nga sa dagat. It is a home of different marine species including whales, dolphins, sea otters, and seals, making it such a unique place for nature lovers. Monterey, tulad na sinabi ko, ang Monterey ay is an expensive place to live. Its cost of living is significantly higher than both the national average and the average for California, because it's driven by high housing costs, including both rental and home prices. The housing costs in Monterey are higher than the national average, making it difficult for those with lower incomes to find affordable housing. The best time to visit Monterey, California is between April and early June. Mga summertime, spring and summertime. Spring offers warmer temperatures, fewer crowds, walang masyadong tao, and food festivals dishing out, including the Pebble Beach Food and Wine. Between September and October, for weather, summer months are overcast and much colder than you expect if you are not from around the area. Monterrey is a beautiful city, but it's also known for being expensive and can be crowded, especially during tourist seasons. It is a good place to live if you appreciate a slower pace of life, beautiful scenery, and a strong sense of community. But be prepared for high costs and the impact of tourism. Okay, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ilang larawan ay pinakita ko. Meron pang mga susunod na mga larawan dyan. Okay, thank you for watching. Shout out to all my subscribers, viewers, local and overseas. Bye for now.